Faded Racing, Faded Fam, Faded Family, what's going down, you know what I'm saying? Today I'm doing my diffuser, you know what I'm saying? After that stimulus package came through, you know what I'm saying? I get a diffuser, you know what I'm saying? Got it off of eBay, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave a link in the comment, link in the description below, you know what I'm saying? So I can get one, you know what I'm saying? They got it for the low, you know what I'm saying? I get a link for everybody who want one, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gotta spend big money to have look nice, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I got right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to install this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Dolo mission, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go ahead and go with this install and everything. So yeah, man. Comment, rate, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Share, support, man. Shout out to everybody who's been commenting with the support, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep rocking with y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep drop content every couple of days, you know what I'm saying? With this little corona going on, I'm still drop videos and everything, you know what I'm saying? So let's get right into this video, baby. Got the screws right here. Like it's in decent condition. It is plastic at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Right foot slide. You know what I'm saying? It's decent, you know what I'm saying? It's a little bit tougher, but what I'm probably gonna do is tap in them holes so I can use the factory hose, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into it, you feel me? Got my tools. Don't you wanna dance with me? No. Dance with me, no. I got my good tools, you know what I'm saying? Plastic popper piece, popper off.
H2O.
Tight. Once you get the first one out, it come out pretty easy. Shit. No, new cars, boy. I ain't want nothing to break in my new car. Tight. You know what I'm saying? Clip if you see on the side how tight that was, that's why it was so hard to pull out. Little Audi over there. Let me get this camera to focus back. Like I need a better camera, you feel me? Okay, let's try to put this bad boy back. Too far. This. The same one as the cable screws, but I'm just using the same ones. out what it gotta be. Holes line up pretty much the same. Pretty much the same place. So we just make them, screw them in there. So I got this drill bit right here, and I'm just drilling the plastic. Got this drill bit right here, I'm just drilling in the plastic, you know what I'm saying? It's making it a little bit wider for this clip to fit through, because it's for this clip right here. Got the camera focus, because this clip right here, it's a little bit bigger than the hose, so I just tap in a little bit for it. Yeah, so. So I had to drill another hole for it to line up, which I'm glad it was plastic. So I just drill another hole for this clip to fit in, so it could fit. Cause it lined up all right. So it'll line up better, man. This camera's acting real janky today. It's acting like it ain't freaking HD. But yeah, I have to drill another hole under there. And see where the one hole is. I have to drill over because it wasn't lined up correctly. Tell me what you think, you know what I'm saying? This something a little, something slight, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The old one, the new one. I think it looks pretty good, even though it's not all like flesh. That's all I like it. But it's close enough, you know what I'm saying? You can't really tell unless you up on it trying to look for something, you know what I'm saying? But I got a little for the low, you know what I'm saying, for eBay, so. But all in all, it turned out good. I mean, all it is plastic, so maybe this one won't cut as good, but you know what I'm saying? It looked pretty decent, it looked better than the stock, so you know what I'm saying? I think it looked pretty good. Did a decent little job on it, you know what I'm saying? Comment on what y'all think, you know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all feel about it. I know I need some custom license plates, and license plates is old, but comment, let you know what y'all think about it, man. You know what I'm saying? Is it good for y'all think it look good for how cheap it was, you know what I'm saying? I think the quality is all right. I mean, this plastic is a little bit more, well, I'll say, it's a little bit more firmer, like sturdier, but this is aftermarket, and this, I mean, you know, it's cheaply made, but it's still decent. I mean, I guess I'll see how it hold up, you know what I'm saying, over time and how it look in the sun and everything, but it should look like it should last, man. It feel pretty good. I got it nice and snug on there, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of fitment issues on it, you know what I'm saying? But all in all, it's a decent little product, man. If you ain't got all the money or you're trying to spend big money right now, I think you should go ahead and buy it, you know what I'm saying?